everyone. Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. D Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? A new and exciting recipe. It is baked tuna fish potato coffee cake, or baked tuna potato coffee cake. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. And to all my YouTuber, supporter, follower, and subscribers, a very big, warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Let's get started. And this is a new recipe I'm doing today. 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of coffee, quarter of a bell pepper, the red one, 2 eggs, 2 cups of potato flakes. It's the mashed potato and it's a flake. You can get it in the store to buy. It's in the pack, real mashed potato. 1 tablespoon of corn starch, half teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt, it's a pink salt. You can use whatever salt you have. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 small carrot, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm gonna measure 1 tablespoon from this. And the star of the show is the tuna fish. 2 tins of the tuna fish. 2 tins. And the one I'm using is the light tuna. You're gonna need your casserole baking dish. It's 5 by 9. If you don't have milk, you can use water. So let us open our tuna fish. And we're gonna drain the water off. So to drain the water, you just need a lid on it, or the juices. You don't need this. This have a lot of preservative in it to keep the fish. Now we're going to break the eggs. They're just going to whisk the egg. Let it become light and fluffy. We're going to add the tuna fish in, and we're just going to smash it out. And add the potato flake in, the cornstarch, the salt, and your baking powder. We're going to add the oil. I'm going to put the egg. Your milk, and you want to mix the rest of the coffee in the milk. If you're a person you need a little sugar in the cake, you can always add some sugar in it. And now you're just gonna add back the water or the juices from the tuna fish. It's probably about, let me see, Yeah, about half a cup. And quickly, I'm gonna slice on the bell pepper, aka sweet pepper. Just need a few little slice in it, very thin. Just like this. So you see how thin it is? So that's a little sweet pepper, and you mix it in it. And we're just gonna grease our casserole dish with just a little of the oil. Now we're gonna add our baked tuna, fish, potato, coffee cake in the casserole dish. Just take your time. We're gonna press on it. Just press it down, smooth it out. So this is how you want it to be looking, guys. Let's work on our carrot. So that's our carrot. And we're gonna add a little more of the sweet pepper in it. That's not the fire alarm, people. That's the oven is going off. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like what you see. Please subscribe, and share the video. Like the video. Please like the video. It means a lot to me and it reaches a wider audience when you like the video. Don't just watch a video and leave it. Like. Share the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So this is our carrot and the sweet pepper. You're just gonna place the sweet pepper on top. Remember, this is D-Don's brand new cake. As I told you, from time to time, I'll be coming with new recipe. Okay, so we're gonna put the carrot, sprinkle with some carrot, and you're gonna garnish the carrot with some egg. That's the white portion of the egg, not the yolk. This is the egg. So guys, look at our baked tuna, fish, potato, coffee cake. It's time for it to pop in the oven. You're gonna put it in the oven and it's gonna bake for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. And look at this now, beautiful people. Our baked tuna, fish, potato, coffee cake is now ready for eating. But it just came from the oven, so it's hot. So you're gonna let it rest like 10-15 minutes and then I'll be back to show you what I will be doing next. Okay, beautiful people, it's now 10 minutes and I want to remove the baked tuna, fish, potato, coffee cake from the casserole dish. So we're gonna flip it over and then we're gonna flip it back over. Yes! Look at this. This is the bottom, and then we just gone. It's a bit hot from my hand, but let's see. Oh yes, bear it to flip it back over, and we still want to let it cool some more. But in the process of cooling, I'm just gonna add some caramel on top. I just adding some caramel on the top of it, just for flavor and little sweetness. Mind you, you don't have to add the caramel on top. You can just have it as it is. Or you can put any type of topping that you have. Even some tomato ketchup, whatever you want to use on top for your topping, guys. So now that we cut on the baked tuna fish potato coffee cake with the caramel on it, guys, and it's cool and all of that, so it's time to dive in. Look at it. So you can give it a try, beautiful people. Give it a try. It is so gooey and it tastes so delicious. So let me take a piece out. Let me take a piece out with a fork. Look at the inside. You see, well baked, no flour, no breadcrumbs. That's our tuna, fish, and the potatoes flake with our cornstarch and egg. And it tastes, guys, OMG, it tastes so good. So I thank you so beautiful. I thank you so much, beautiful people, for watching this video. And please take care of yourself, and above all, let us be our brother's keeper. I love you. Peace and love. I see you on the next one. Bye for now.